Hello and welcome to the next remodel that we're doing for a client out in Mission Viejo, California. This is obviously their master bathroom, but there are quite a few little issues with it. Well, and there's some big issues with it as well. We'll show you all of those here. My name is Sabrina Phillips with Designing Women of Orange County. I'm an ASID interior designer as well as a general contractor, and I absolutely love getting to transform homes for my clients and make their spaces just something they really love and something that's so much more efficient for them and beautiful, of course. That's always a lovely part of the end outcome. So we are doing so much to this bathroom. It's for a kind of long bathroom. It's a not very wide bathroom. And one of the biggest issues is this right here. We've got about 30 inches of walkway space. By code, you should have about 36 inches minimum. And so one of the things that we're going to be doing for them right off the bat is we're going to take this soffit out up here and we're going to push this wall back as far as we possibly can. This is an outside wall on the other side on over there. So we're going to push this vanity in as far as we can so that when the husband who's tall walks in and his wife is maybe getting ready, it'll be a lot easier for him to just pass on by her. Plus it'll give them that 36 plus inches of walkway space that they really should have in here. The other thing we're doing, and this is very strange, before they bought it, I guess the previous homeowners had this one sink bathroom here, but they took and put in a single sink right here, which is just bizarre. It's like there's no space to get ready if that was just the husband's sink. They put in a medicine cabinet, I guess. I don't know. I guess that is a medicine cabinet there. But anyway, this is what he uses for storage for whatever. But it's so inconvenient, to say the least, and bizarrely out of place that it's right here by the toilet and the shower and, oh, the tub. And this right here was the impetus for the entire reason they called me. They had a little leak and they went to fix the leak. And you can now see down into the living room. You could actually probably watch TV from the living room, or I mean from the bathroom down into the living room. And so, yeah, there's their couch. I can see it. Anyway, when they ripped out the tub because it was leaking, the plumber said, yeah, you need a new tub. So they went and bought a new tub. The plumber didn't say, you need this size, this width, this depth, this height, this whatever. Anyway, hence their call to me. And so I'm glad, I'm grateful that I can come in and help them out, because not only are we going to take care of their tub issue, but all of this bathroom. So while we're standing in here, obviously this is part of what's going to change here. We're taking out the soffit area up above here. And I'll show you the wall that's kind of coming into right there. Part of that wall is going to come out between the vanity and the tub. And we'll get a shot of this coming in from basically the shower area here. Yeah. So when you're looking at that, now that wall space will be gone. So that door won't be there anymore. The doorway won't really be there per se. We're going to take all of that out and just open up this room so it doesn't feel so clustery in here. It feels very tight and funky and all out of whack, you know. So the other things we're going to do for them is that when we come over here with this new tub, it'll actually sit a little bit lower than this. So about down here, this wall space, right now, this wall is like this wide. It doesn't need to be that wide. So we're going to shorten the wall not only down this way, but we're going to stop that wall about right here. And then we're going to take a glass wall, like this is over here, over to this point here. And we're going to give them glass from here up. We're going to put in a second shower head and handheld over here on this side. Now, the clients have asked, and we don't know sometimes until we get into it. So if you've ever been in a remodel or you're going into a remodel, just know that some things can't be found out until you start to get into the remodel process of it. So we're taking all of this out, and we're going to push this wall back if we can about 12 to 18 inches potentially. If we're able to do that, then what we'll do is we'll give the client a bench seat over here on this side, as well as that shower head and handheld. And then of course, this whole space here will become a shampoo niche, a very long 36-inch wide shampoo niche. Really super nice. For here, we're just taking this, moving it up to the correct now code height. It's about 10 inches up higher. And we're giving a rain head and handheld here, as well as a rain head and handheld on the other side too. And then we'll create a linear drain here to kind of split between the two of them. This wall here is going to come completely out, and this will become total glass all the way down and a little bit higher than where it is now. So it will feel more open and definitely more spa-like, because the tile that we're putting on this wall is just going to be absolutely stunning. And the floors, it's just going to be beautiful. Here on these floors, we've got 12 by 12 tile. We have 12 by 12 on the wall as well. And we're going to take that out as it's, kind of an older style or trend, and putting in a larger, much larger format of 24 wide by 48-inch tile. That's this wide and this tall. So your grout line now is here, and it cuts out all of that cleaning of any of the other grout lines and stuff like that. Plus, it just looks cleaner, it looks smoother and more fluid, so to say. So we'll keep the toilet here, and back over here to the sink that we're going to remove and close off the plumbing to, we're actually going to add a linen closet in here for them that they do not have in this home. So that is really going to help them with some storage for their towels and different things that you need to keep in your linen closet. Oh, and then the other thing we'll do here too, sorry to back up, is actually put a door in here for them. So they'll have glass wall, door, glass wall. Your step in will be a lot smaller in height. So right now we've got about a 5-inch step in. We'll have about a 2.5 to 3-inch step in by the time we're done with this. And again, it won't be this thick. It doesn't need to be that wide. It's literally taking up a lot of space. So by the time we get done with this, it's going to be a 36 deep, at least, maybe bigger. We'll go bigger if we can. And right now 72, but if we get to go another 12 inches, 84 wide. So really nice, big, almost a family shower. These clients are actually getting ready to start their family. So this is an awesome opportunity for them to be able to create the space that they really want to for their whole family. Plus they have dogs, and you've got to stay tuned, because check out the reveal when we do it. The shower heads and the handhelds that we're going to use for them are really incredible. And the handheld sprays from a couple of different positions. So they've got this big Labradoodle. So cute. Anyway, they can wash that dog here in their shower now without any problems whatsoever. Because as you can see, just trying to wash a dog from a shower head like that is really not going to work at all. And so they can wash the whole family. They can bring the kids and the dogs and everything in here once we're done with it. So here we are in the closet, and we're going to actually pretty much keep this unit that's in here now, but the one thing that we will take out and change for her is this. Right now, this is just a hamper, and it is just honestly wasted space. And so we're putting in drawers from like here down for her, which is going to give her a lot of extra storage space, and she needs it. The bathroom's pretty small, and there's so much they need as far as storage goes, and so we're going to utilize as much of the space as we possibly can. So, and then let's take a look again back at that vanity here, okay? So like I was saying about this vanity area and all of the problems that it creates for the clients, of course I didn't mention taking out the cabinet. Yes, we're taking out the cabinet. It's like, what is that doing there? But anyway, as we push this in, what we'll do is we'll create a sink area over here and a sink area over here. And then we're going to give them 2 drawer banks in between those sink areas. So they'll have 2 drawer banks, kind of like they have here, but they're just going to move all the way over here. And they'll both get their own drawer space to be able to put their items in. And the other thing that we'll do for them is we've got these really nice, large medicine cabinets coming in that are going to be recessed, lit, backlit. They've got defoggers on them, and they have electrical outlets in them, USB outlets in them, so they can keep their toothbrushes and that type of thing, their electric toothbrush or razors or whatever it is, in there, put away, and they'll each get their own. So if you can envision, you've got now 2 sinks and the 2 medicine cabinet mirrors that are lit here. The soffit's gone, and we're way back into the wall space over here. It's really going to open up the space so much for them. And then we'll also give them that door that goes between the bedroom and this bathroom, because every time somebody comes in here right now, turns the light on, whoever's in the bathroom and the bedroom is like awake. So we'll change that. We'll add a pocket door in there. We're taking this one out. So we'll put a pocket door in to the entry to the entire bathroom, not halfway or midway through. So anyway, stay tuned for the reveal on this, because it's going to be really incredible. We're going to be doing some durings as well, because we know we're probably going to run into some really funky stuff that we want to keep you informed about. And so mentioning that, please follow us here and subscribe to our channel, because we have a lot of tips, tricks, and ideas for interior design. So if you're doing something or getting ready to do something, or want to know what's it like for me if I'm going to go through a bathroom or kitchen remodel, follow us and you'll find out a lot of things that that we talk about there that you can expect. So, and also, if you are watching this and you are getting ready to do a remodel and would like for us to come out, mention that you saw this video, and we will give you $1,500 off your bathroom or kitchen remodel. So again, thank you so much for watching. Follow along and watch for this reveal, and as soon as it's available, it's going to pop up into the right side screen here in YouTube. So thanks a bunch. Sabrina here with Designing Women of Orange County.